Do you know that using egg on your hair will give you thicker, fuller hair, thicken up that your thinning hair, stop hair fall, control your frizz hair, smooth your hair, give you natural shine, promote healthy hair growth. On today's video, I will show you the perfect way to use this egg to grow your hair like never before. So please watch this video to the end to understand the perfect way to use this recipe and also how to prepare it to get that best results. To prepare this recipe, I'll be making use of 2 eggs. Next thing is my coconut oil. I'll be making use of my coconut oil. My third ingredient is my castor oil. I'll be making use of castor oil. My fourth ingredient is my aloe vera gel. Okay, so next thing, I'll bring my bowl and a spoon to crack my egg. Okay, you need to crack the egg. Keep on watching to see how to put these things together and also how to apply this to get that best results. So I've already cracked my first egg and this is the second one. I also crack it and pour the egg inside my bowl. If your hair is not long like my own, please you can use 1 egg, okay? But my 2 egg is okay for me. That's why I'm going for 2 egg, okay? So I put 1 tablespoon of my castor oil, 1 tablespoon of my coconut oil, and this is my aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera, you can make use of it, okay? So what I have now, I don't have fresh aloe vera gel around me for this moment, so I need to make use of this my store bottle aloe vera gel. So I also put my aloe vera gel into my bowl. I'm going to mix. Make sure that this recipe mix together properly. It's very necessary you whip this very well so that all the ingredients will combine together. This recipe is very simple to prepare, but the result is very effective, okay? So after mixing, this is what I have gone so far. Do you see how it look like? It looks so smooth and so okay. So next thing now is how to apply this on my hair. This is how my hair is look like. So I've already shampoo my hair, okay? I'm using this as a conditioner. I'm not using this on a dirty hair. For me to get best results of using this egg hair mask is to use it on a fresh wash hair. If you want to see the best results, use this on a fresh wash hair. Don't use it on a dirty hair, okay? So I'm using it now as a conditioner, okay? So I want to use it on the plate, but it can be so messy. So I need to transfer it back to this my applicator bottle so that it will be easier for me. As you can see, I'm just coming out from shower. My hair is still a little bit damp, okay? So I'm going to pour this on my hair. Work in session. Try to work in session. Working in session will help this product to penetrate very well all the strands of your hair. You make sure that this product has penetrated all the strands of your hair. Focus on your scalp and also you can also apply it on your hair strands, okay? But the main focus should be on the scalp, okay? Even on the hair strands is also very important because it also helps to thicken up your strands of hair. While on the scalp, it will help to boost faster hair growth. Do you see that using it both on the scalp and on the strands of hair, they are very important. After applying it on this my first section of hair, I will twist it away and move to the next section. I'll still do the same to make sure that I apply it properly so that this will saturate all over my strands of hair and on my scalp, okay? Applying eggs directly to the roots help infuse hair follicles with much needed vitamins and minerals, nourish the scalp, encourage new hair growth, grow stronger, and reduce breakage and sheddings. Also grow your hair thicker and healthier. Using egg on your hair is a game changer, guys. If you want to thicken up your hair, this recipe should be that recipe that you need to start using right now, okay? So you can also use only 1 oil. It's not that you must use castor oil and coconut oil. If you have any oil at all, even though it's your homemade oil, you can add your homemade oil on it and use it on your hair. And also, it's not necessary you must use aloe vera, okay? If you don't have aloe vera around you, please keep it. Just break the egg, add it oil, whip it very well and apply it on your hair. You still get that good result. The main ingredient on this recipe is the egg, okay? So adding it oil will help you for moisture. Make sure that you add it oil, okay? It's very necessary. Or if you have honey, you can also add honey on it. You still get best results, okay? But this is so messy, guys. This recipe is so messy. So I advise you, whenever you apply this on your hair, please apply this on your bathroom, okay? So that you don't mess up everywhere, okay? So after applying it on my hair, do see my hair. Immediately I apply this on my hair, I feel the thickness of my hair. I feel the healthy of my hair. Honestly, this will help you a lot in thickening up your hair. Consistent of using this recipe, you will never ever regret it. If you want to thicken up your hair faster, if you want to see the faster result of this recipe, you can use this once in a week, okay, for faster results. But if you are using it for general hair growth sake, you can use it whenever you want to wash your hair or once in a month, okay? It depends on you. But if you are struggling to grow your hair, if you are struggling for hair fall, if you want to thicken up your hair, you want to see how effective this remedy will help to thicken up that your thinning hair, stop that your hair fall, control your frizz hair, use this once in a week, okay, and you get the best results. Before you apply this 4 times, that means before you use this in a month's time, you will see the effective result of using this. This is a game changer, guys. You don't need to skip this video. You don't need to sleep on this video, meaning you don't need to joke with this recipe, okay? This will help you a lot. So after applying it on my hair, I follow up to massage my scalp. It's very necessary you massage your scalp, okay? Next thing, I use this my cellophane nylon to cover up my hair to trap some heat, okay? You can use your steamy cap, but I advise you not to use steamy cap so that the egg will not cook on your hair. So using cellophane nylon is okay, or your shower cap, okay? Cover it up, and I like this to sit on my hair for 1 good hour. After 1 hour, I will just go and rinse it out with clean water. After rinsing it out, I will use my deep conditioner to deep condition my hair. I was laughing because of the messy of this recipe. This recipe is so messy. If you cannot withstand the messy of this recipe, you can't use this, but try to use it and you see the best results, okay? Do not think about the messy. Just try to use this recipe. If you are ready to thicken up your hair, if you are ready to stop that hair fall, if you are ready to see that faster hair growth, do not think about the message. Just try and use it and you see a great result on this, okay? So use this the way I direct you, by using it as a conditioner. Do not use this on a dirty, okay? That's where you can get best results. And like as I said, you can use this once in a week, okay, for best results also. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have more questions to ask me, feel free to drop your question in comment section below. And also, please, if you have not subscribed, please help me to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that to be notified whenever I drop a new video. And please help me to like this video. It really encouraged me a lot to put out more good content out there, okay? And also it helped the growth of the channel. Please share this video to your family and friends so that they will know how to use egg to grow their hair like never before. I hope this video is very helpful to you. I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.